Yes, sir, that bitch sounds fucking nice. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a turboed GSXR 1000. She bald as hell. She bald as fuck. But look at this motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah, my ears are fucking humming right now. God damn. What we about to do, we about to just go on a little beer run. Oh my God. Dude, when that fucking, oh my, when the turbo kicks in, it just fucking pushes you back on the seat like you holding the fuck on. Shit does not need to be this fast, bro. When I tell you I barely get into it, bro. Like not even half throttle. I have yet to fucking goose this bitch. And there's a reason behind it. Because that motherfucker will take off like a rocket, bro. For what? Oh my God. I'm scared to get on it. I'm righteously scared to get on this motherfucker. Hell no! Hell no! We didn't even hit 11K, I don't think. And we hit 140. I'm in like 4th fucking gear? Bro, what? What? And that's not even me fucking like on my 600. I'll be on that bitch fucking like just banging through fucking gears. Trying to hit that 140 mark. And on this sumbitch, right to it. Right the fuck to it. Before you even realize how fast you're going, bro. You just holding on like, oh shit. Next thing you know, you at 140. Damn. I don't know how well you can hit a turbo on the camera, but oh shit, bro. Hell no, the front end picked up right there, bro. What? Hell no. God damn. Bro, what? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like I was saying, when that turbo kicks in, bro, it just fucking just sucks you to the back of the bike. And when it did that, I guess my weight shifted the fucking, I felt the front end pick up a little bit. God damn. Yes, sir, that bitch sounds fucking nice. Oh, I just, ooh, raw fucking power, bro. Raw fucking old is gold power right there, bro. I mean, shit. shit does not need to be this fucking fast, bro. I mean, what the actual fuck? What the fuck, dude? I'm gonna just start sitting back in this bitch. I might pop more wheelies, but I ain't gonna get thrown the fuck back every time I get into it a little bit. Shit. I mean, like that right there, that acceleration is so effortless. Like just barely on the fucking throttle. Just barely on that shit, bro. Shit don't make no fucking sense. My 600 could never, bro. You could put 8 turbos on that bitch and it will never. It's fucking whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm gonna do a little overtake on the straightaway. I don't know why I'm downshifting. As soon as it hits that fucking boost, just whoop, right up to it. Right up to it. As soon as it hits into that goddamn boost. Oh, we got that all day. Alright, we're in 6th gear. We're in 6th gear. We're gonna see how fast that boost builds up. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my god, this is not my bike. Oh man. But if it was, I'd ride this bitch everywhere, except unless it was raining. Oh my god. I think I came a little bit. If y'all would like to see more videos with this fucking bike, this mean ass bike, drop a comment down below. And you know, I'll see y'all in the fucking next one, cause I'm gonna have a couple of them with this bike. But y'all fucking y'all be good out there, alright?